In this video, I will show you how to get local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to watch live channels within your area on your Samsung Smart TV. And basically what you want to do is to use your remote control to just navigate to where you have live TV terrestrial over here. So just use your remote control to scroll over to the right hand side, and then from the live TV terrestrial over here, you just want to scroll over to the top and then come over to channel over here, then click on OK. Now you also want to make sure that at this point you have your antenna connected to your Samsung Smart TV so it can scan for available live channels within your area. You can go ahead and get an outdoor antenna or even an indoor antenna. I'm going to be leaving links to some of the best antennas for your Samsung Smart TV in the description of this video. So you want to get one for yourself and then just connect it to the antenna port on your Samsung Smart TV. Then come over to your remote control and then go ahead and click on the scan option over here. Now go ahead and click on start. And then you want to go ahead and select the settings for the scanning on your Samsung Smart TV. First and foremost, you want to make sure that scan type is actually set to digital and analog at the same time. Go ahead and select terrestrial over here. And then you just want to scroll down and then click on scan to start the scanning. And as you can see, my Samsung Smart TV is now scanning for available local channels that my antenna can actually get. Now from the bottom over here, you can see that 3 analog channels was actually found after the scan, and this is basically because my antenna is not so well placed. If you want your antenna to be able to get all of the available channels it can possibly get, then you want to make sure that it is well placed, and you also want to make sure that you select the right settings for the scanning process so it can actually find available live channels for your TV. Now once it is done, you want to go ahead and click on the close button over here. And obviously these are some of the channels. You can also see that they are not so clear, again because the antenna is not so well placed. I basically just made it for this particular video. But basically that is how to get and watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.